morning, Lala.
Did you get yesterday's assignment done?
Yeah, I managed to finish it. You were absent, right?
Yeah, I had a stomach ache. Do you mind if I borrow your notes to catch up?
Of course not. I'll send them to you. Hope you're feeling better now.
Thanks, Siri. Much appreciated.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Lala, I noticed you weren't in class yesterday. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I had a stomach ache yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Are you feeling better today?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
That's good to hear. Next time, if you are absent, it's important to let me know, either by calling or sending an application. That way, I can make sure you get any missed assignments and keep up with the class. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher. I'm sorry. I didn't inform you yesterday. I will make sure to do that next time.
No problem, Lala. Your health comes first. Just remember to keep me updated so we can help you stay on track. If you need any help catching up on what you missed, feel free to ask.
Thank you, teacher. I appreciate it.
You are welcome, Lala. Now let's get started with today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about two very important phrases. I'm sorry and thank you. Can anyone tell me what they mean? I'm sorry means you feel bad for something you did wrong.
Thank you means you are thankful for something that someone did for you.
That's right. Saying I'm sorry shows that you care about other people's feelings. And saying thank you shows that you appreciate what someone has done for you.
But how do we say them?
Great question. To say I'm sorry, you can simply say I'm sorry and then explain what you are sorry for. For example, I'm sorry for taking a toy without asking.
And how do we say thank you?
To say thank you, you can simply say thank you, followed by what you are thankful for. For example, thank you for sharing your crayons with me. Can we practice saying them? Of course. Let's do some role playing. Mala, can you pretend you accidentally bumped into Dojo? Oops, sorry. I'm sorry for bumping into you, Dojo.
It's okay, Mala.
Great job. Now, Lala, imagine Siri helped you pick up some papers you dropped.
Thank you for helping me pick up the paper, Siri.
You're welcome, Lala.
Excellent. Remember, saying I'm sorry and thank you are simple ways to show kindness and respect to others.